the user or the consumer of the goods is such an ambassador for that company that you realize, okay, why is that not possible in an industrial B2B environment? And the first time I realized it was when I was working with one of the large multinationals on a global basis, and I found out that they had internal networks that were incredibly powerful, and they shared information within those networks. Yeah. And what we found out suddenly was that if we were able to provide value in that network, they would talk about us, and they would actually globally spread the word, hey, go work with this company XYZ. And that was for us an opening of, hey, if we do this a smart way, you can actually really change the way companies think about you as a supplier.